In 2018, Mass CEC, as the Global Clean Energy Center, publicly solicited cutting-edge wastewater treatment technology from the world. FMBR technology was selected. And now, the equipment has been installed and operated stably for more than 1 year. During this period, despite the pandemic of COVID-19, the project and FMBR technology is still receiving attention and praises from many parties.
Hello, my name is Chad Whiting. I'm the wastewater manager here at the town of Plymouth, Massachusetts. I've been working with JDL on a pilot project for their FMBR system on a grant funded by Massachusetts Clean Energy Centers. Got the grant approved, started shipping equipment, got the project up and running. I would say we were in compliance within probably 15 days. I think we had where we only get 3,000 to 5,000 gallons a day, similar to your 30 homes, you know. The system seeded and with their seed and started up and running in compliance within 15 days. I had the electricians come in and wire everything up. I cut the hole in the building. JDL pretty much did the rest. We put it in place next to our SBR system. We ran the SBR and the FMBR in parallel with each other until we got things in compliance, and then we started shutting the SBR down. We've got our nitrates down to less than 1, below 3 most of the time. The wastewater comes into this tank here. This is the pre-EQ tank. And this pump here, this piping you see coming up out of the tank, goes over to JDL's FMBR system, which is over there in the corner. The wastewater comes in, goes through this pipeline into JDL's FMBR system, where it gets treated, and the wastewater comes back down through this pipeline over to this small effluent storage tank, where it's allowed to be pumped out into our dosing field. This is our treated effluent. This filter you see here is an online analyzer that analyzes the effluent for nitrite, nitrate, ammonia, and phosphorus. And this is online, samples every 15 minutes as the treatment process is going on. The other thing we've noticed is our waste is a lot stronger than waste in China. We have 3 restaurants and very little dilution for those 3 restaurants on this small system. So the energy requirements are a lot less, so that's a huge advantage. My system didn't have any filtration on the back end. This has a membrane filtration and total removal of your VOD, so you get non-detect on those numbers, which is not possible with the SBR. We have an online analyzer that analyzes the parameters coming out the back end. I understand you're not a water quality guy, but nitrate, nitrite, ammonia, phosphorus, I think that this is under the right conditions, will lower phosphorus down to almost nothing. Where the SBR, if it was coming in at 5, you might get it down to 4. This will knock it right down to, we've seen less than 1. That's huge as well. Not so much for me because I don't have a phosphorus limit in the permit here, but in places like down the Cape where it's very sensitive.
Down on the Cape.
Yeah, exactly.
JDL is fully capable of the engineering of that, and they've been a great company to work with on this pilot project. They've been very responsive, and they set this project up very well.
Hi, my name is John. I work with the Plymouth Sewer Department. I'm a wastewater foreman. I've been here about 7 years. I've been working at the airport with this technology for about 4 years. Currently, we have an SBR system that we have been running. We have brought in this FMBR system with JDL for the last 2 years now, and it has shown that it has created a much better effluent than we ever could with the SBR. It has a quick reaction time. It can take in high level volumes of VOD and change it very quickly. It can also save very much on maintenance costs. It has saved, it's 75% smaller than what the space takes up for an SBR system. It's very energy efficient. It's saved 87% energy from the SBR technology that we currently have. Overall, it's been a great system, puts out very clean effluent. Overall, with JDL, it's been a great relationship. They've worked very well with us. They've done a great job They're very knowledgeable in this type of equipment, and the equipment overall itself is a great use, and it's been very beneficial to the airport.